Requiring some information on wrought iron fencing? High quality black ornamental iron fence. AnchorFenceEco.com and WroughTIronSpecialists.com is setting the new standard of excellence in the fence industry by selling top-notch field-tested fully welded wrought iron fence and combining it with our award-winning customer service. Meet the newest security guard in your neighborhood. Wrought Iron Specialists Black Ornamental Iron Fence is a superior option in today's fence market. Our wrought iron fencing systems will not only beef up the security of your residential or commercial property but will improve the appearance as well. We offer a variety of decorative, field-tested iron panels options that are well suited for most any application. Our standard fence models come fully assembled and are ready for easy installation. A welded quad flare finial is the standard option for a more finished look. Residential and commercial grade fences are available for different applications. We also install a complete line of matching walk gates, driveway gates, and estate gates. If you have a fence that needs repaired, looking to have a new fence installed, need a security pool fence installed to protect your little ones, or wood and chain link fencing, contact us because we do it all. http://anchorfenceeco.com http://WroughTIronSpecialists.com. Get in touch with our business soon for further information on wrought iron fencing.